we'll guide you through how to change the Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you have it open, make sure you have a Python file, as this will enable the Python extension if it's installed. Look at the bottom left corner of your VS Code window, where you'll find the current Python interpreter displayed. Click on it. This will open a list of available Python interpreters on your system. If your desired interpreter is not listed, you might need to install it first or make sure it's properly configured in your system's path. You can also click on Enter Interpreter Path if you have a specific path you want to use. After selecting or entering the path, VS Code will switch to the chosen interpreter, and you'll see the change reflected in the bottom left corner. If you want to make sure your environment is ready, open a terminal in VS Code by going to the top menu, clicking Terminal, then New Terminal. Here, you can type Python, version, or Python-m pip list to check the version and installed packages, ensuring you're using the correct interpreter. Remember, changing the interpreter allows you to utilize different Python environments, which is especially handy when working with projects that require specific package versions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.